Ready to ditch the standard Kvcore web address and upgrade to a sleek, custom domain that screams professional real estate agent? Let's dive in. First, log into your Kvcore account. You'll land on your dashboard, which is your central hub for all things Kvcore. Look to the left-hand side of your screen and find the Web and IDX tab. It usually has a globe icon. Click on it. This is where you manage your website settings. Once you're in Web and IDX, locate and click on Domain Settings. This section controls which domain name is linked to your Kvcore website. You'll now see a field where you can enter your custom domain name. Carefully type in your domain. Double-check for typos. An incorrect domain will break the redirect. After you've entered your custom domain, find the Submit or Save button. Click it to save your changes. Kvcore will now process your request. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. You may see a confirmation message or a loading screen. Now, head over to your domain registrar. Like GoDaddy or Namecheap, you'll need to update your domain's DNS records. This usually involves creating a record that points to Kvcore's IP address. Refer to Kvcore's documentation or support for the exact IP address you should use. Once the DNS changes have propagated, which can take up to 48 hours, type your custom domain into your web browser. If everything went smoothly, your Kvcore website should now load using your new professional domain. Congratulations! You've successfully redirected your Kvcore website.